Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from the exercise 13b. This is the fourth video from the chapter parallelogram. Okay, so let's start. Look at the question number 5. What it says? It says that ABCD is a rhombus. Already the figure is given in your book. So it is given that ABCD is a rhombus. The name of the rhombus is ABCD with ABC equal to 56 degree. So here it is giving one of the angle of the rhombus, that is ABC equal to 56 degree. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the angle CAD. Okay, so let's look at the figure. This is the rhombus ABCD. Okay, once again, yes, ABCD is the figure is given in your book, A, B, C and D. And here it is given, it is 90 degree, which is giving COD is 90 degree. This symbol represents the 90 degree, and one of the angle is given, that is determined CAD. ABC is 56 degree. So ABC is given here 56 degree. So we have to, what we have to find out? We have to find out the CAD angle. This angle we have to find out. Okay. So if we know this angle and this angle, then easily we can find out this angle. Okay, let's start with the sum of the concept. So in that triangle COD, it is 90 degree. It is given, what is given, you write down, given COD equal to 90 degree. Okay, so always write what is given in the question, then start the question to try to solve the question. Given here COD equal to 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, then this part also 90 degree, other opposite side, then COA will be 90 degree. What is the region? The region is linear pair. If linear pair means in a straight line, the sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. So what is the region, right? Linear pair. So COA we got 90 degree. This angle we got here 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to find out this angle. So now look at this diagonal. In the diagonal CO equal to OB. So in the rhombus ABCD, write down, in the rhombus ABCD, OB equal to OC. What is the reason? You have to write out the reason. OB equal to OC. Why? Because the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. And the angle CBA equal to how much? It is 56 degree, already given. ABC and CBA both are same, so 56 degree is given. And if it is 56 degree, then this also 56 degree. What is the reason? The reason is that diagonals bisect the interior angles of the rhombus. Then CBD, the angle CBD, this angle, okay, this angle equal to 56 degree. 56 degree. What is the region? The region is, you can write down angles, diagonals bisect interior angles. Okay. Then if it is 56 degree, then this also 56 degree. Which angle? This angle, BCA angle. So write down BCA angle equal to 56 degree. Because it is a bisecting angles, means both are equal. So BCA also 56 degree. What is the reason? Opposite angles. The reason is opposite angles of rhombus are equal. Rhombus are equal. So BCA equal to, we got 56 degree. So before we got here this was 90 degree and now we got this was 56 degree. So if two angles we got in this triangle, the triangle name is OCA. So write down, in triangle OCA, what we got? We have got this is 90 degree, that means AOC equal to 90 degree. AOC equal to 90 degree, and another angle we got here, that is OCA. OCA we got here 56 degree, because this is the opposite of this angle and both are equal. Now what we have to find out? Question is giving, we have to find out the CAD angle. CAD angle, this angle you have to find out. So CAD angle equal to 180 minus 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 56 degree. What is the reason? Why minus 180 from 180? Because it is the angle sum property. Okay, in bracket you can write down angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle, that is 180 degree minus 90 plus 56 degree, that is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 50 how much? That is 146 degree. So 180 minus 146 degree, let's find out. 10 minus 6 is 4 here it is 7 minus 4 is 34 degree. So we have got here CAD equal to 34 degree. Okay, so likewise we have solved and find out the angle CAD, that is 34 degree. Okay, now students, look at the question number 6. Question number 6 says that ABCD is a rhombus. In the book it is given diagram or the figure ABCD is a rhombus, and here it is given angle DAC equal to 50 degree. This is DAC, this angle is given, that is 50 degree. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the angle ACD, this angle. Secondly, in the question it is given 3 parts, 3 angles we have to find out. Second part is we have to find out angle CAB, this angle you have to find out. And third question we have to find out angle ABC. So 3 angles you have to find out from this figure. So first you write what is given. Given angle DAC equal to 50 degree. So if it is 50 degree, then this part also 50 degree, that is angle CAB also 50 degree. What is the reason? The reason is the bisector here. The bisector bisect the angles equally. Okay, interior angles. The reason, write down, diagonals of rhombus bisect the interior angles. So here AC is a diagonal and it is bisecting the angle DAB. Okay, so now we have got that CAB equal 50. CAB, that is question B, it is solved, that we got CAB is 50 degree. Now come to the next question, that is here we have to find out this angle. So this is opposite of this one. So angle DAB, angle BCD are opposite angles. So this also 50 degree. Okay, because it is bisector. Again, write down the angle. Angle ACD equal to 50 degree. Same reason you can write down, that is diagonals of rhombus bisect the interior angles and it is opposite. You can bracket it, write down opposite angles are equal. Okay, opposite angles are equal in a rhombus. This is one of the property of rhombus. Then so we have got ACD, that is ACD we have got how much? That is 50 degree. That is question A. Question A solved now. question A and B already solved. Now come to solve this third question, that is we have to find out A, B, C. So here it is A, B, C. So A, B, C is how much, then we have to look after this triangle. If you know this angle and this angle, easily we can find out the third angle. So it is present in the triangle. So write down in triangle ACB triangle. So what we got here in ACB triangle, CAB, angle CAB equal to 50 degree, angle ACB equal to 50 degree, and what is the third angle, that is angle ABC. So angle ABC equal to which property we apply here, I am writing here again, angle ABC equal to, follow the angle sum property, that is 180 degree minus 50 plus 50, that is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is 80 degree. So we have got ABC equal to how much, that is 80 degree. Therefore angle ABC equal to 80 degree, and it is the solution of the question C. I hope you understand all the concept whatever discussed today. See you in the next video.